This is the new Renault Twingo, which will make its debut at the Geneva Motor Show next week. Renault has torn up the traditional city car blueprint, giving the new Twingo a rear-engined rear-wheel drive layout along with its new corporate styling. Power is likely to come from a 3-cylinder engine connected to either a manual gearbox or a new dual-clutch automatic. Performance versions of the Twingo, likely wearing Renault Sport and Gordini badges, will appear later in its life cycle. The new Twingo will face competition from the likes of the Peugeot 108, Citroën C1 and Toyota Aygo when it goes on sale.